With a front lawn like a putting green, edges the envy of landscaping enthusiasts, and gardens primed like they are entering a beauty contest. This is just a glimpse of the level of detail to which this entire home has been maintained since it was built by the current owners. This year marks 50 years of enjoyment for the Davies family, and now it's your opportunity to carry it on. Set on 1,100 square metre block, this brick and tile home offers 4 bedrooms. We'll use the 2 adjoining back rooms as a master and nursery, walk-in robe or study. Air conditioned with both ducted or separate split system units, there is internal access to the downstairs 3-car garage, which has an additional bathroom and a space that has been used as a sewing room or small gym. The garage has drive-through access to the backyard, where there is a second shed or workshop. Mature trees create a private stage for the enclosed in-ground pool, and when your family and friends come for a get-together, light up the built-in barbecue, relax and enjoy. There have been parties with up to 50 people enjoying this idyllic setting. We are an easy 230 metre walk to Bolton Point Park and boat ramp on Karora Bay. And if you are more active, you can join many of the locals along the Waterfront Reserve walking trails morning and afternoon. Bolton Point is just a 5-minute drive to Marmong Point Marina, 12 minutes to Glendale Shopping Centre or Warners Bay Foreshore, or 6 minutes to Toronto Township. Directly on the bus route, Bolton Point has been popular for its value for money waterside living that is not far from the centre of everything in Lake Macquarie. If this tour excites you as much as me, I look forward to your phone call and organising your private viewing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Brad Thornton from the agency. Thanks for watching.